recruiter asked you to show proof you can collaborate on a real project, what would you send them? A resume line? A bullet point? A paragraph saying you're a team player? None of that actually proves collaboration. But a team portfolio project does. Last week, OpenAI featured Higgsfield in their newsletter as one of 4 breakthrough AI collaboration tools. Within 48 hours, thousands of people started searching for it. But here's what no one's talking about: how job seekers can use it to prove collaboration skills to recruiters. That's what we're covering today, and you can start using it this week, even if you've never heard of it before. Before we dive in, hit the thumbs up. It helps this video reach more job seekers who need real, modern strategies, not outdated job search advice. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and thrive in the AI era so you can land the job you really want. Today, I'm showing you how to use Higgsfield to create a team portfolio project that proves your value to recruiters in ways no resume ever could. Here's what you'll learn: how to build a team project even if you don't have a team. The 5 scenes every collaborative project needs. Exactly what recruiters look for in teamwork proof. And a complete step-by-step workflow you can finish in 1 to 2 hours. Let's dive in. Higgsfield is an AI video collaboration workspace that lets you co-script, co-edit, and co-present video projects in real time. Think Google Docs meets Canva Video meets HeyGen all in one place, but built for teams. For job seekers, that means you can create a team-style project even if you don't have a team. You're switching careers, you're a recent grad, or you're rebuilding your portfolio. Higgsfield makes collaboration easy to demonstrate, and that's exactly what recruiters need right now. If you look at job descriptions today, you'll notice something we didn't see 10 years ago: communication, cross-functional alignment, ownership, initiative, and collaboration. Those used to be soft skills. Now, they're hiring criteria. Here's what most job seekers don't realize: AI can read your technical skills, but only you can show your collaborative skills. Companies don't want to guess whether you can work with others, manage handoffs, communicate visually, or present insights clearly. They want proof, a real example, something they can see. A team portfolio project lets you show, not tell. A recruiter should be able to watch your project and understand your value in less than 1 minute. Here's the structure. First, scene 1, the problem. Show a common workplace challenge. Example: customer response time is too slow. Next, scene 2, the team roles. Introduce the collaborators, even if it's you plus AI. Example: I handled data and workflow. My teammate handled messaging. Scene 3, the approach. Show how the team solved the problem using a process. Example: we mapped the workflow, identified bottlenecks, and automated the steps. Scene 4, the visual proof. Charts, screenshots, dashboards, mock-ups, timelines. Example: here's the before and after. That's it. Short, clear, credible, and highly readable by both humans and AI. For scene 1, your prompt might be a clean, modern office with a team looking at multiple notifications. Then, record: our team struggled with slow response times and inconsistent workflows. For scene 2, a simple graphic showing 2 character avatars with their roles listed. Line: I focused on workflow and data. My teammates supported creative and messaging tasks. For scene 3, a collaborative meeting scene with charts and digital whiteboards. Line: we mapped the process, identified bottlenecks, and built an automated system. For scene 4, a motion graphic chart showing progress over time. Line: here's the before and after view of our workflow improvements. For scene 5, a confident presenter summarizing results with clean motion graphics. Line, the changes reduced response time by 18% in 2 weeks, improving customer satisfaction. Here are a few role examples. Marketing, problem, inconsistent messaging. Solution, build a unified campaign. Result, 22% engagement increase. Project coordinator, problem, tasks slipping through cracks. Solution, standardized workflow. Result, delivery improved by 14%. HR, problem, onboarding errors. Solution, simplify documentation plus video training. Result, 40% reduction in errors. Data analyst, problem, supply chain delays. Solution, forecasting dashboard. Result, delays reduced 12%. This is the kind of proof recruiters crave. Step 1. Pick your problem. 5 minutes. Choose a challenge your role typically solves. Step 2. Define your 2 roles. 5 minutes. You plus AI teammate or you plus a friend. Step 3. Write your 5 short lines. 10 minutes. Each scene equals 1 simple line. Step 4. Build 5 scenes in Higgsfield. 30 to 40 minutes. Use simple, clean visuals. Step 5. Add captions and export. 20 minutes. Captions make it readable by AI recruiting tools. Once you're familiar with the tools, this takes 1 to 2 hours. Add it to your LinkedIn featured section, your portfolio site, and send the link when recruiters ask for work samples. AI recruiting tools like LinkedIn's scoring model read the text inside your captions, your featured section, your file names, and your transcript. That means your team project becomes a keyword-rich, proof-rich asset that boosts your rankings. Everything I just taught you can also be done with Canva, Runway ML, Capwing Studio, or HeyGen. Higgsfield just makes it smoother and faster, but the strategy works everywhere. If this video helped you, click the thumbs up so more job seekers can find strategies that actually work in 2025. Subscribe for weekly breakdowns of the AI tools and strategies that help you rise above the noise and get hired faster. And when you're ready to put this into action, drop a comment below with which role example you're going to build first. I want to see what you create. The future of work rewards people who show their value, not just list it. Let's keep building your advantage. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.